everyone, it's Carrie from Next Time Craft Studio. You can join me here for all sorts of different crafting, DIY, upcycling, thrifting, and vintage content. So today I have 3 different mini thrift hauls for you. An antique store haul, a garage sale, and I went to the thrift store as well. I hope you're excited to see what we've got today. We'll start with the garage sale that I went to in my neighborhood. So our first item is this 3D vintage gold framed wild rose art print. It's signed by the author and it has a little bit of information on the official flower of Alberta on the back. Some typical railroad glass insulators. Here's a vintage set of sock stretchers made out of wood. A set of 3 Perfect Seal Canada glass jars, because you can never have too many glass jars. And the set of 3 brown shelves, which I will be painting and doing something with. And I've got this pretty large rose tray with a little bit of damage there that I'm going to have to repair. And I've got 3 rose tins in the back there. I love brass, so I always pick up all the brass things that I can find. Beautiful pink flower gold tin. And this little white tray with this cute little house and tree images. And then I just wanted to show that tray was made in England, I guess. That's going to be my first project, I think, there. A couple of long white cotton macrame hangers. Next is the thrift store haul. So we've got this cutlery organizer, this wood in metal. In the back, we've got this wood wheeled tray thing that looked like it had a plant on it at one point, and it's even got a little rope on it. A chalkboard little sign holder that I'll redo for my own purposes, I think, here. A metal photo frame holder, an Italian ice bucket, a glass votive holder with a bunch of different colors of broken glass there, mosaic, a little tiny treasure chest, a violet Germany little dish, a cute little Avon bunny dish that I have plans for already, a genuine flower made in Canada tile, and then next is a little fairy bridge that was in a bag with a bunch of other stuff. And then there is this glass jar container as well. The next batch has this cute black metal worn basket that I will probably leave the finish on. And then I think one of my favorite things is this tiny little chair. Looks very worn. And this beautiful kind of viney green lantern. On top of this brown shelf here, we have this dark metal that's been painted verdigris grapevine 3 candle holder. And this brown, pretty basic shelf. It has a couple of sawtooth hangers on the back. And then we have this made in Italy little grape terracotta dish with a hole in the bottom there. A little brass candle holder. It's got some nice patina on it there. This beautiful English gravy boat. You can see on the bottom there. I'll probably add some flowers or something to that. And then this little spinning wood organizer, which I'm probably going to use for some paintbrushes and tools and things after I paint it. And then this really cool little storage bin that has like little cups and things on the back, and I believe it's made in Portugal. which is really cool. I'll probably end up redoing that. And then the last couple little things is this really cute steel glass lantern with stars, and then this, I'm not sure what this was for or what it held, but a white metal wall holder. And now for the things that I picked up at the antique store. Looks like a Montana bird collector spoon, this really cool verdigris silver dish, a little silver card holder, and a key, a whole bunch of collector spoons and knives, some interesting little legs basically that went on some trunks, which I'm gonna turn into something really cool. A brass trivet. These are really popular right now. I love using these for my teapots. Some serving utensils in silver as well. Some little measuring spoons, I think in aluminum. A silver candle snuffer, which has a really neat patina on it. This copper plate in the background, and then I think my favorite is these little cookie cutters. Well, that's it for the hauls, and here's a little sneak peek for a future video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.